Come on.
You big girl.
You're going to go right into the grass.
A little off.
What? Oh, careful.
Lauren, just face the stroller like towards me so you have to, the wheels aren't.
There you go.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Wow! Hey, you little stinker! Callie! Hey! Callie! Lauren, do Twinkle Twinkle right now.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky, up above the sky so high. Like a
It's
diamond
okay.
in the sky, twinkle, twinkle.